Qualities of a person with Aquarius rising sign in astrology. Individuals with Aquarius as their rising sign, also known as the ascendant, possess a unique set of qualities and energies associated with this innovative and independent sign. Here are some key characteristics associated with Aquarius rising. Independent and individualistic. Aquarius rising individuals value their independence and have a strong sense of individuality. They march to the beat of their own drum and resist conformity. They often have a unique and eccentric personal style and approach to life. Intellectual and progressive. Aquarius rising individuals have a keen intellect and a natural curiosity about the world. They enjoy exploring new ideas and concepts and are often drawn to intellectual pursuits. They have a progressive mindset and may have a strong interest in social causes and humanitarian efforts. Friendly and sociable. Aquarius rising individuals are generally friendly and sociable. They have a natural ability to connect with people from all walks of life and are often seen as approachable and open-minded. They value friendship and enjoy being part of social groups and communities. Unconventional and innovative. Aquarius rising individuals have a flair for the unconventional and innovative. They think outside the box and are often ahead of their time in terms of ideas and perspectives. They may have a knack for coming up with creative solutions to problems. Humanitarian and idealistic. Aquarius rising individuals have a strong sense of social justice and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. They are often drawn to causes that promote equality, fairness, and the well-being of others. They may actively engage in activism or community work. Detached and objective. Aquarius rising individuals have a tendency to approach situations with a sense of detachment and objectivity. They have the ability to step back and see the bigger picture, which allows them to make rational and unbiased decisions. Future-oriented and visionary. Aquarius rising individuals have a natural inclination towards the future and envisioning possibilities. They have a visionary outlook and may have a talent for predicting trends or envisioning innovative solutions. They are often drawn to fields related to technology, science, or progressive ideas. Nonconformist and rebellious streak. Aquarius rising individuals can have a rebellious streak and resist societal norms or expectations. They may challenge established structures and traditions, seeking to bring about change and progress. They have a strong desire for personal freedom and authenticity. It's important to note that these are general descriptions, and individual experiences and other factors in the birth chart can modify or enhance these qualities.